Wire. A thin, flexible strand of metal used to carry electricity or signals. The electrician used a wire to connect the lights. He bought a spool of wire for his project. The wire carries electricity to the house. He fixed the broken wire on the fence. They installed new wires in the building.